let's do this real quick. My name is Ade Kingsley, and today we're going to be talking about how to increase your WhatsApp status viewers. And before we get into that, I can't remember I said in my last video that I'll be giving shout outs to random subscribers, and these are the people who have won for this shout out. Okay, so if you want to be part of the shout out, my next video, you know what to do, right? Just subscribe and then like this video. That is all. So now let's go straight to the point. Sorry, as I earlier said, today we're gonna be talking about how to get more WhatsApp status viewers. Okay, so there is this file. Yes, it's like a document, and it contains contacts. Hope you understand. It contains contacts. So these are the contacts. So these are the contacts in the first document. These are the contacts in the first document. And these are the contacts in the second document. Okay, these are the contacts in the second document. And these are the contacts in the third document. We can see it a whole lot. And if you need more of these files, I can also provide. So now the only thing to do to get this file is I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link in the description. So just hit me at WhatsApp on that link, and then you show me a screenshot, yes, of subscribing to this channel. That is all. Show me a screenshot of subscribing to this channel, or a screenshot of liking the video. That is all, and I'll forward the documents to you so you can also add them. So after adding them, you go to your WhatsApp and then you create a broadcast list like this. Hope you understand. You create a broadcast list like this, so you can see a whole lot. Create a broadcast list like this, a whole lot. They are all active on WhatsApp. So you send them a DM, you send them a direct message like this, and then you see their replies. So from there, you tell them your name, and then they'll begin to save it to you. You've already saved their name, so they'll just begin to save your name. Hope you understand. And that is all. You can get any amount of viewers you want, whether 2,000, 5,000, any, depending on the business you have. Hope you understand. So this is the end of this lesson. You know what to do, right? Just subscribe, like, and then drop a comment. That is all. So this is how to increase your WhatsApp status viewers. So I'll be waiting for your messages in my inbox. Thanks for watching this video once again. Goodbye.